Hey guys, this is just a really quick video of how to set up your new Cricut mug press in Design Space. I decided to just do one really quick video for setting it up because the next video is going to be doing my first press onto a mug. So I didn't want it ended up by taking, 20-30 minutes by adding in the setup. So this is just strictly setting up the Cricut mug press. So you're going to want to sign into Design Space on your PC or laptop. If you watched my last video, you will see that you cannot use an iPad. iPad doesn't even recognize a heat press or anything on there, which is super disappointing. But that I gave my opinion about that in my last video. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here to Home, and right where you see those three little lines, you're just going to click on that and scroll down to New Machine Setup. So you'll see that it doesn't actually have the Cricut heat press, but if you come over here to heat press, it will give you the options between the Easy Press 2 and the Cricut mug press. So just click on your mug press. And it says step 1, place Cricut mug press on a heat resistant surface in a well ventilated area. So I do have my window open, and then I will use my Cricut mat and just place my machine and my heat press here onto the heat resistant mat. So that part's done. Now we can go to next. Number 2 is plug into a wall outlet and power on the Cricut mug press. So it is already plugged in, but I will press the power button. And number 3, use included USB cord to connect the Cricut mug press to this computer. So this part, you can't use the iPad. Like, even I had a dongle for it so that I could plug in a USB port to my iPad and it still wouldn't show up. So I've done that, and now I'm going to click on continue. And let's activate Cricut mug press for CassandraMilia@gmail.com. I agree to the Cricut terms of use and activate. And I did just hear the Cricut mug press beep, and it is just downloading the firmware now. It's relatively quick, actually. Device is ready. USB input device is set up and ready to go. So that's it. Disconnect your USB. Your Cricut mug press is up to date and ready to use. You just need the USB plugged in while you're getting it set up onto your account, and then also if Cricut decides to do another firmware update, then you will need the cord to plug that in as well. So this is the Cricut heat press, and now I'm going to go do a video on me using it for the very first time. So please like and subscribe to my videos. I really appreciate it. I am just starting out, but I've been making lots of fun videos to try to help everybody else with their cricketing. And you'll also find my Facebook group in the link in the description. So if you'd like to come join in there for some inspiration and tips and tricks, I teach one-on-one Cricut classes, and I'm going to be getting into group classes as well. So it's a lot of fun. Happy cricketing, guys. Have a great day.